This is a presentation on how you can use the Acepos touchscreen basic system to manage an outlet where customers can do fishing for fish or prawns in an enclosed environment. So let's go into the system itself, enter the user's name, password. Okay, there are a few ways we can handle. Now first we go into, of course, first we have to set up all the types of things that you charge your customers. So for example, just an example here, you can see, and see you can have maybe F&B items that you sell, although they are doing fishing, they're ordering drinks from you, maybe they have food, okay, and of course you have your fee, right? You have your fee. That means you charge them an hourly fee because they come and do fishing. And I believe that once they have finished, they have caught the fish or the prawns, you weigh them, you also charge an additional charge on top of the fee, right? So you can set a code for fee. So this is the first thing you do, is set up all the types of codes of billing that you have for people who come into your shop. So once you've done that, let's go into the actual posting, post operation, enter the cashier's name and password to go into the system, put in any cash float. For example, you put 200 as cash float. Okay, system will print out an activation slip, so you keep this slip to know what time you started the system. Now inside here you can set up different categories of charges. That means although they are coming for fishing, you sell them food or drinks or whatever, and you may have fees. So if a first person comes in, you're not sure how long you stay, you charge them a minimum 1 hour fee first. Then if they order drinks, of course you can straight away add up. If not, you just hold and print, and you give them this piece of paper, and they are supposed to hold on to this so that we know that they belong to which one, because we are holding on. As they go along, we will add on items, you see, so give them a whole bill. So next customer comes in, also same thing, hourly charge, first hold and print, so this will be a second customer. So each bill you can see here is different and the time is different. We are suggesting you use this time to know how many hours you're going to charge them when they cash out, you see, after their fishing is done at your shop. So while they're in their shop, they may order other stuff from you, for example, drinks and all that. So then you can just click on, they have to bring back the paper, you know who they are. Let's say this is the first person. You select this bill, and then maybe you add in a soft drink. So what do you want, Pepsi, or maybe they want beer? Okay, 2 beers, for example, 2 Carlsberg Ice. Okay, if they add, say they want to eat some food, maybe you got food. Okay, what do you want? You want chicken pie, and then you hold and print the bill again. So this time, this thing, if it's connected to a kitchen and bar printer, the orders will be passed to a kitchen and bar, so they know they have to produce this food or drink for the customer. Okay, these are kitchen and bar orders, and then the new bill is printed. Ask the customer to keep the old one, you can throw away, you can keep this, so we know the latest one with their bill number and what time they came in. Is very important, because the time you come in is the one that you're going to use to determine how much you're going to charge them for the hourly charge. So if next customer comes in again, you want the second customer wanted to order something, selected the bill, or maybe he just want a beer, so you have a Carlsberg can, for example, then you hold and print for him. It's sent to the kitchen or bar, depending on what he order, and then they'll come out, and then you just print the latest slip, take away the first one, okay, and keep. So this is how you handle. New customer comes in, first thing, charge the first hour fee, and then hold and print. You see, this is bill number 5. So we know that it's bill number 5. So when the customer is finished and he comes and say, okay, I want to check out, you press this button. Let's say the first customer to check out, you press, you know, you see, he came in at 12:44, for example. So you know whether this 1 hour fee is correct. Is correct, okay, that's it, you close the bill. If you are going to weigh the items, for example, how much of the prawn or the fish they've caught, then you have to set up one button here, somewhere here, that says the weight of the fish or the prawn, because you're going to charge them by the weight, right? So you can set another button to collect the fish and calculate how much you charge him for it. Otherwise, you can just settle the bill. You may pay by cash or whatever. You pay by cash, let's say give you $100, then you give $100, the change will be given. This is the final bill, okay, and that's closed. Okay, next customer comes in, you want to close this bill. Okay, this particular customer selected bill. You want to order new things, for example, you want cappuccino, give him cappuccino, hold and print, goes to the bar, and then his new bill will be given to him. Right, so ask him to hold on to this bill. When it comes out and finish, you can close using this particular bill. Okay, so here you can see I've added 2 more buttons, fish caught and prawns caught, so you can actually weigh the fish and prawn like I see just now. So let's say the next customer says I want to go off now. Okay, 12:45, select the bill, First thing, you review whether hourly charge is correct. Okay, then maybe he's fishing for fish, so you use fish caught, and then it's defaulted always to 1. So you can change this. You can do this and says find out, weigh it, how much is it. You change quantity, maybe it's 1.5 kg or 2 kg or 3 kg. You can set in for decimal point. Let's say it's 3 kg, and each kg is 7 ringgit. When you enter this, the system will change the fish caught to that amount, and then you can settle the bill with him lah. So either you pay by MasterCard or Visa, okay, whatever Visa card, and then just manually key in the last 4 card number and charge, and the bill will be provided. You see, so the fish will be charged and his hourly charge will be here. So this is what we are suggesting that you do. So let's say the next customer, after sitting here for a few hours already, he want to go off. So you hold and you look at his bill. So let's say the time you check that the bill, you need to charge him 4 hours. You selected the bill and you found that this is already hourly charge only 1. You can actually edit that, change the quantity to 4. Okay, and then you charge him 4 hours. And then on top of that, the fish, or he's fishing for prawns, how much prawn he caught, you can do this, edit the posting, change the quantity, maybe it's 5 kg prawns he caught, enter, then the total price. And then you ask him to settle the bill. So he pay you through, let's say, MasterCard, and then enter the card, and then print, the bill will be printed. Okay, all the prawns and fish and everything, the hourly charge is already there. Okay, just now the system is based on individual bill. That means somebody walks in, he doesn't sit in a expected position. We identify him through the whole bill number. But there's another way. If supposing those people comes in and sit at your place doing the fishing, they have a fixed seat number, for example. Then we can configure the system this way. Goes into post operation. Okay, user enter password. Enter your cash float for the day. You see, the display is different. So these are actually meant for, like, you know, in the restaurants, the table numbers is, but you can use this as your seat number. That means he comes in there, he sit at certain position to do his fishing. So seat number 1, 2, 3, 4. If your system is working this way, we can change the system to configure this way lah. Supposing this person is at seat 01, then first thing he come in, charge him hourly charge, then we hold the bill. We don't even need to hold and print. Because we know he's from seat 1, but it's better you hold and print, because then in this bill it is given the seat number itself, so you know where he comes from. You see, so the next person will come in, sit at position 4, give him an hourly charge, all right, and then same thing, you charge him. Let's say it's 2 hours now. Okay, let's say you make a mistake, we delete off the 2 hours, delete off one of them, and then we hold and print, and then we give him a bill. So second person comes in. So in this case, the same way, when the customer comes in and say, hey, I want to go off already, he got all the fish, you must know his seat number. Based on the seat, you call back his phone, his bill out. Let's say he did want to order some soft drinks, or you order beer, you can add on a thing, then you can add and print, same thing. All right, then if you say you want to go off already, call out his bill. So you got to find out how much fish you caught, same thing, and then edit the fish the same way. Okay, change quantity, maybe he found 5 kg, charge him, then he can settle the bill. He pays you $100 cash, print out the entire bill for him. So just the difference is that now you have got something like a seat number. So next person comes in, he's catching prawns, find out how many kg, weigh, change the quantity, maybe he got 4 kg, enter, bill, settle, he pay you by cash, that's it. So you settle the bill. So it's the same, except that now you have got something called a seat number here. End of the day, when you exit, of course, cashier goes out, then the total of cash collected for the day and so on, or credit card will be given, will be printed out. So you will have a slip that actually shows you how much of credit card you collected and so on. You see, everything is inside here. In the earlier presentation I sent you, this is a standard one. You can actually see this. I believe that you've already seen all this, right? Daily sales, for example, a product for today, how much is the actual sales obtained? Okay, or you use a bigger printer, preview this on, say, Microsoft PDF. You can see all the sales. You see how much it was sold, what is the beverage sold, how much catch the caught is sold, what's the fee is charged, and so on. All right, I believe that you've seen this already in the first presentation. So the rest will be the same. I don't think I need to go through in this short video. So you can see all the okay, all the post-transaction report, each bill, every bill you can use in case you want to check and audit lah. All right, so the rest of the reports I think you've seen already in the earlier video that I sent to you. Right here I'm only focusing on how you can handle the catch and the fees we charge them, you see, when it comes